Base Care. My name is Sean Bush. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the highest productivity cleaning tools any contractor can own. The battery-powered backpack vacuum. And over 15,000 square feet of unrestricted cleaning because you're not corded. Now when you look at productivity, you've got to look at 15,000 square feet. You'll then slide down to an electric backpack at 7,500 square feet, a battery canister, of which we also have at 10,000 square feet an hour. Then you move in further down the line to an electrically corded canister at 6,000 square feet an hour. So it's all about productivity and picking up the soil. All the items that I've just mentioned are the most productive methods of cleaning because it picks up the soil better than any upright at a measly 2,800 square feet an hour and high service bills on that upright. And today I'm going to introduce you to one that has the most runtime in the market, the most power in the market, highest performing in the market, and best price. So let's walk you through the new RBV 150. The RBV 150, you're going to notice, is a new sleeker model with a 6-quart recovery size, tank easily accessible with the removal of 2 clips. The clips come up, lid comes off, gives you easy access to the bag that's easily removed with a little, I call it the lip flip, to keep all the dirt and debris in the bag. Easily slides back on as you saw, easily sits back down in the pocket, 6-quart tank. The vacuum has also been improved and equipped with a fully adjustable harness with multiple adjustment points to fit virtually any operator. You're going to notice toolless wise, I can raise and lower the harness to fit any operator. So I've got it set for a gentleman of my stature. You're going to notice the venting. What does that do? That keeps all the vacuum air and the venting air and keeps the heat off the operator's back. The cummerbund is equipped with its own little holster to hold all your tools, which is called an A4 kit, of which you get a crevice tool, 2 dusting tools, and an adapter, so it fits onto the wand or fits onto the hose. Well, we've added a digital motor when equipped with the new and improved lithium-ion battery, the NX300, with its handle that makes it easily removed from the vacuum. This lithium-ion battery has over 2,500 cycles in it. The battery itself, as I said, is lithium-ion. It comes in a standard charger with a 4-hour charge time. You can buy the optional speed charger that'll charge your battery in just over 2 hours. The battery, when equipped with the new digital motor, which gives me the most performance, so now I've got your runtime at over 90 minutes on low, 55 on high. With my digital motor, I'm creating more vacuum than anybody in the market, so I'm picking up more soil than anybody in the market. The new digital 350 watt motor that's on board, what does that mean to you when teamed with this lithium-ion battery is an increase of airflow and suction by over 50%. So now I'm giving you more power. So from the productivity side to the power side, moving into the performance side. The battery itself is easily installed into the vacuum just by easily clicking it in, locking down its holder. Even though it's clicked in, we like the peace of mind that it's in there. You'll notice it loads on the side. The vacuum itself I'm going to put on my back now. We're going to just put it on like you would a jacket. From your right arm or your left arm, however you prefer to put your backpack on. So when you get this backpack on, you're going to get it on, you're going to bring the cummerbund around, you're going to put it around your waist and fit it to your operator. So now I've got my belt on. I'm now going to adjust the harnesses up top. So again, I can customize it. I can feel that nice venting in the back, keeping my back nice and cool. You're going to click on your chest harness. So now the vacuum itself has now been customized to me. You saw how I can adjust the spine on the back easily with no tools, totally vented. So it's nice and cool on my back and totally customizable for any operator. With my tools, you can see how it sits and it's nice and sleek. The hose itself can be used on a left-handed or right-handed swivel, whichever way you are. I am a right-hander. So today we're going to walk you through a few of the tools we have with us today. The standard toolkit is the flip combo tool. So you're going to notice it's been standard in all of our vacuum for many years. A lot of improvements have been made over the years. So you've got your standard flip for doing carpet or hard floor. The wands are stainless steel standard 3-piece wands, so they all break down into 3 pieces. To put the wands together, you just put them in and give them a little twist. The wands are totally adjustable to fit any operator, and totally adjustable at the top for an ergonomic standpoint to clean. I'm going to do a standard clean. So you're looking at the hose and the wand. What's nice too is one of the things with the canisters and the batteries is they're backed by a 5-year warranty. That's a good warranty, it'll cover you. To use the vacuum, you're just going to bring up your on-off switch. It's just down below your left hip. This is low. We'll do a pass-through on the low. You can see I picked up that sugar with ease, and that's on low with a standard tool. I'm going to flip it to high. You can see the recovery on the battery vacuum is phenomenal. So you can see that's the standard tool I used. Now I'm going to go to what's called a productivity kit. And it's all about productivity at over 15,000 square feet an hour, 2,500 cycles on your battery, 90 minutes on low. So you've got a piece that you can vacuum with continuously almost all day long. Take your battery in, put it in the charger, pick up another battery, and keep going. So we're going to put on the carpet tool. Everything is friction fit. We're going to get comfortable. You can, again, as I've said, adjust it to any operator. So totally adjustable, totally telescopic. I'm going to turn it on. Now in this type of cleaning, what we're going to do is you're going to notice I'm going to do a side to side, and then I'm going to come down the center in a figure 8 motion. And you're traveling throughout the office, vacuuming. So that's your productivity. It's all about productivity. So at NaceCare, if you're looking for your runtime, I've got 90 minutes. If you're looking for performance, I've got a digital motor that gives me my performance, lifts up more dirt than anywhere else in the market. If you're looking for productivity, I'm over 15,000 square feet an hour. You saw how easily I put it on. To take it off, you just do everything in reverse. As I'm taking it off, you can see everything easily comes off. Take your chest off, loosen off your harness here, so you can swing it off your shoulder, and the vacuum's off. So today we've talked about battery backpack, we've talked about performance, we've talked about the runtime. Call your NaceCare rep for the price. Thank you again for giving us the time at NaceCare. Have a great day.